we're going to continue what we started at our last lesson. And as always, we have tuned our cello first. We've pulled out the M pen so that the cello, when we're standing up, that the top of the cello is right here between our eyebrows here, or the bridge of our nose, just right in that area there. And we're sitting on our chair, sitting forward with our feet on the floor, feeling balanced and relaxed. Our hand comes up here, left hand, thumb is halfway between the two curves in the neck, second finger is opposite the thumb, the hand is slightly pronated, which means the palm points downward, and the fingers are spread apart with an equal space between the fingers. Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to start by reviewing Twinkle. Just one time through Twinkle, and you remember that it starts D, D, A, B, B, A. And we count to 4 to get our beat, our counting, when we start Twinkle. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, A. First finger, another A. Now all 4 on the D string. Go to the A, now back to the D. Hold the E long. Now like the beginning, D, A, first finger, and back to the D string. All right, good. That should be coming along pretty well for you by now. If it's not, just keep playing it till it is and review the first lessons on Twinkle if you need to. Okay, so today, now what we're going to do, and this is in preparation for our second song that we're going to learn, is we're going to play our D scale. We talked about scales a little bit. That's when there's one note that comes right after the next note, and it's like the order of the alphabet. So what we're going to do is start at the 4-fingered D on the A string, what we call our high D, and we're going to play our 4th finger, then our 3rd finger, then our 1st finger, then our A, and then all 4 fingers go down on the D string. We play our 4th finger, our 3rd finger, and our 1st finger in an open D. And for this song, we need to count 3 rather than 4. We do 4 for Twinkle, but we do 3 for our next song. And we're going to start here now with our 4 fingers down on the A string. And we're going to do this twice. And the first time we'll say the names, the finger names, and the second time we'll say the note names. And if you don't know them really well, just listen to my voice and follow along as best you can. All right, so we're starting with 4 fingers down on the A string. And we start with our counting. 1, 2, 3. 4th finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, open A on the D string, 4th finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, and our open D. Very good. Same thing. This time we're going to say the name of the note. And this is the alphabet going backwards, starting on a D. Okay. And it's C sharp, F sharp, rather than just C and F, like the alphabet. It's a little fancier than the alphabet. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. And we'll just hold that D 1 pits, hold it long. All right, good. Now we're ready to begin our new song. All right, and the new song starts like our D scale going down, but then it changes a little bit. So listen how this goes. We start with our 4 fingers and we count 3. 1, 2, 3. So we play D, 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 C sharp. When we get to the B, instead of playing 3 Bs, we're going to play 1 B and 1 more C sharp and 1 more D, and then go to the A and just hold it long. Okay, I'm going to do that a couple of times and then you try it with me. So we're going to go 4th finger, once more, listen. This time I'll say the names of the notes. D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, A, and hold it long. And you hold it for 3 counts actually. When you pluck the A, you're thinking 1, 2, 3, and then the next note happens. All right, this time try it with me. All 4 fingers down on the A string. 1, 2, 3. 4th finger, 3rd finger. Now 1, 3, 4. Open A. All right, do that once more. 1, 2, 3. D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, A for 3 counts. All right. Now, when you get ready to work on what we covered today, you might want to do that several times before we go on to the next part. But the next part, our fingers go to the D string, and it's just like our D scale going down when we get that far. So this part will be 4th finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, and hold the D for 3 counts. Okay, let's try that once more, and this time I'll say the names of the notes. And it's G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D. All right, now together, fingers on the D string, we're going to do just that second part. Okay, the first part was all on the A string, and then the second part is all on the D string. 4 fingers down, and we say the names of the notes this time. 1, 2, 3. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D for 3 counts. Okay, so we have the first part of the song, and then we have the second part of the song, and actually that's the first line really of the whole song. So we're doing the whole first line in 2 parts. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this and see if we can get all the way from this D down to that D. Here we go. 4 fingers are down, and we'll do it twice. First time we'll say the finger numbers, and the second time we'll say the names of the notes. So 4 fingers are down. We're starting on our 4th finger, and we're going to count to 3 first. 1, 2, 3. 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 4. Open A for 3 counts. 4, 4, 4 on the D string. 1, 1, 1. Open 3 counts. Okay, same thing, except now we say the names of the notes. And remember that the A and the D just get 1 pizzicato on them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, 3 counts. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D, 3 counts. Okay, that is the first part of French folk song. And maybe you know that song, maybe you've heard it, sung it at school, but if not, it's a very lovely song, and this was just the first line of it. And at our next lesson, we will review this, but then we'll learn what comes next. So that's all for today. Take as much time as you need to go over this. The more we do, the easier it gets. And it's such a lovely sound. All right, thank you for coming, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.